Hello Kaiju fans, and today I'm going to be reviewing two Category 4 Kaijus, Otachi and Leatherback. Both Otachi and Leatherback appeared in the 2013 movie Pacific Rim and were the biggest Category 4 Kaiju at its time. They were sent to our world through a breach in the Pacific Ocean by the Dwellers, an alien race that wanted to terraform Earth for their own twisted world. Now let's check out Otachi and Leatherback's stats and intel, starting with Otachi. She comes with a nice box, and on the back we have all the classic stat charts and pictures of this kaiju, as well as his nickname, Flying Fury. Otachi's stats read: height is 207 feet, its weight is 2,690 tons, its speed is a 8, its power is a 6, and its armor is a 7, and finally its toxicity is a 9. And finally, Otachi's intel reads that Otachi is an acid-spitting, creeping, crawling giant with a slimy secret. Once it unleashes its mighty wings, Otachi becomes airborne assassin. The Flying Fury is the king of the land, sea, and sky. Now let's move on to Leatherback. The back of Leatherback's box looks absolutely crazy, and his picture is very nice, as well as his title of Electromagnetic Pulse. And on Leatherback's stats, we get a height of 267 feet, weight of 2,900 tons, a speed is a 5, power is a 6, armor is a 10, and toxicity of 2. Finally, Leatherback's intel reads that partnering with a beast codenamed Otachi for an unpredictable double breach, Leatherback electrically charge attacks swiftly and efficiently disables the system of both Cherno Alpha and Crimson Typhoon, showing the kind of advanced tactics we had never seen before. Now that we covered the boxes, let's unbox these kaijus. Both Otachi and Leatherback have amazing sculpt and paint jobs, as well as good range of motion and accessories. Starting with Otachi. Its head is a nice paint, as well as very well detailed. Its lower body has great texture of skin, and the arms are very nicely detailed, with the wings sticking out, but unfairly you can't unfold them. The hands and feet claws are nicely sculpted, but lack any more detail and colors. Moving on to the back, it has a very nice bioluminescent blue ridges that makes it suspiciously look like Baragon's back. You'll have to let me know in the comments below. Moving on to the tail, the ridges go all the way down to the tail, and the tail is very claw-like, but it's a little short compared to the body. Moving on to range of motion, Otachi can move each arm a full 360 degrees. And his legs also able to move a full 360 degrees when you move the arm out of the way. The head unfortunately can't move, nor open its mouth. The tail is very flexible, but it's not really posable, so it will stay in one place only for a little bit, but not for too much longer. Moving on to Leatherback's articulation. Leatherback's articulation is absolutely terrific. Leatherback can move his arms a full 360 degrees. He's able to turn its forearm a full 360 degrees as well. Fortunately, the feet can't move, the mouth can't move, but the lower body can move. When it comes to sculpt, the Leatherback is amazing. But I know this kaiju came out before, but come on, Leatherback's just a fusion between Kong and the Mutos in the Monsterverse. I mean, look at it! Anyways, its head is very well detailed and sculpted. His chest is very well detailed and also painted very nice. His gorilla-like arms are also very well detailed and sculpted very nice. And its feet, oh come on, it literally looks like Godzilla 2014 feet. Add that to the fusion now too. The back of Leatherback is also very well detailed and very textured, very nice. And finally, for accessories, both Otachi and Leatherback come with 2 breakable buildings, which you can shape in any form to make it look like a kaiju attack. Also, they come with 1 plane, 1 helicopter, 1 army car, and 1 tank. And we can't forget about the 2 Aftermath comics that comes with these kaijus. That takes place in the Pacific Rim universe after the first movie. Now on to size comparison between other Pacific Rim kaijus, Jaegers, and Godzilla kaijus. As for the price, I got Otachi at around $28 on Amazon, and as for Leatherback, it was about $25. And with that, that's another Pacific Rim Mcfarlanes toys review done. If you like this video and want to see more of it, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button and ring that bell button. And I will see you in the next video.